over here. Next one. Whoa, bro. Gotta watch the perimeter, make sure nobody's about to freaking throw their noodle at my poodle. Guess what? Nah, what are you doing? Are you drunk? I think the man might be drunk. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another vloggy vlog as we enter the most marvelous state, the most beautiful land of New Jersey. Da 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 da. Do 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 do. New Jersey, the Jerseyest Jersey of all. New Jersey. How's everybody doing on this Thanksgiving Day? That's right, today's Thanksgiving, which was inevitably going to age this vlog because you're not gonna see it till freaking like February or something. Who knows? Ooh, I was gonna do a Rossi, but oh boy. Speed cameras in New Jersey? It's hard to know. Damn. I was about to pass this guy and he spotted me. PNY 11 taxi was like, yo, not on my watch. That guy's on the phone. There you go. 1.2 miles, we'll take a right. Whoa. Good lord, bro. Fucking artificial ass traffic created by this cop for no reason. What is the point of that? Yeah, see, as soon as you go at any type of speed, it starts to get a little bit cooler. People go pretty quick on this section here. I'm also not I have heated gloves, but they're not turned on because it's legit 55 degrees, probably 50 by now, but it's not a terrible situation by any means. That's why I don't have my heated gloves turned on. Right over here to us 3rd, not this one but next one, right over here, next one. Whoa, bro, fucking cunt. Fucking dumbass. See how alert you gotta be on the bike? That guy did it. He didn't even realize he cut me off and nearly hit me. And if you review the GoPro footage, I guarantee you, it didn't even look like anything. That's what's weird about this whole situation here. We got 6 miles of this. Cops ahead, so I could probably pass a few people. The temperature's definitely dropping, back to 225. Is my helmet vents open? I don't think so. Holy shit, bro. That thing is fucking wobbling. That is a danger mobile. Macy's Parade. Good lord. Look at those turkeys, or geese, I guess. Yeah, tomorrow is going to be a ride of survival, I can tell already. Tomorrow, right now it's 55, tomorrow is going to be 40, feels like 38, and it might possibly rain. So, it's going to be a big difference. Still meaning to go to this mall right here. Big ass mall. Beautiful. So, yeah, sorry for low commentary, but just wanted to take you guys for a ride, as per usual. I don't really, I recorded a vlog through Manhattan right before this one, and I think I probably talked myself out. I was yapping, and then, you know. I mean, it's not the end of the world, this temperature. It's actually quiet, okay. It's quiet, okay. 2:37. 7 minutes late. I'm a super punctual person, so this is a little bit unacceptable, but it's also okay. Sorry, I hit the itch my nose. Now we're back in business. And look, yeah, these gloves. I'll tell you one thing. I mean, it's 50 to, it's like 50 some degrees. Probably feels like 47, 46, and I'm on the highway going 55. Let's say. Perfectly fine. So. Once the heated element comes on, I could see how these will be good down to like 40, high 30s, you know? I think they'd be good the whole time. There we go. This is the fastest section. This is where people usually go fucking banana speed. Like a Hondo Plus, you know? I don't know why this is the section where people choose to fucking go super fast, but it is. To be the fastest kid on the block, just chilling. About to go to the right. Not quite yet. Half a mile. Look at this. That's one thing about Jersey. They got everything. You want to buy some shit? They got it all. Everything is for sale. Even pizza from Chicago style. Who knows? Watch the perimeter, make sure nobody's about to frickin', you know, throw their noodle at my poodle. Yo, where's the new fucking Hondas? The new Hondas, the CRVs, bro. That's them? Oh, I should have fucking checked it out. Should have pulled in. suspension. There you go. What are you doing, bro? What are you doing? Fucking jerk off. Wrong fucking place to stop, you fucking banana. Fucking... My dude literally was just like, yo, I'm just gonna stop anywhere. Cause I'm from fucking New York and we in New Jersey. Guess what? Nah, what are you doing? Are you drunk? I think the man might be drunk. Look at that. He almost just hit a curb. My boy is definitely fucking toasty as shit. Let's observe him. Let's watch him. Watch him be going to my buddy's house. I'll be like, bro, saw you driving, man. You're fucking sloppy with that bitch. You're sloppy. There he is. Look at him. Let's see. No. Alright. Okay. You got it, bro. There you go. There you go. There you go. Now he thinks I'm following him, and he's right. I am following him to wherever he's going to beat his ass. Bro, how are you just gonna slow down in the middle of intersection like that, bro? You deserve a fucking ass. And we could have made that fucking light, muchacho. Come on. We can do it. If you weren't driving fucking in the middle of two lanes, you banana brain. Fucking banana brain. There we go. So cranky. But I mean, well, you know, I'm just a traffic assessor. You know, I'm doing an audit of the traffic and how people move, and in order for me to do that properly, I have to be here, there, and everywhere. I can't be just like stuck in traffic trying to audit it. Fuck, are you fucking even using your head right now? Come on, think about it. Anyway, this car gonna pull out, hopefully, with any luck, maybe. Anyway, boys and girls, as always, thank you for all your support and love, and we'll talk to you all soon. And there's a cop behind me who is about to arrest me, so maybe I should keep the camera rolling, because they're following me.